when a company sends me a machine, I always play about with it. I play about with it for like 2 or 3 weeks, get to know it, and if I don't like it, or if it breaks, I send it back. It's simple as that. I will only advertise the product if I like it. And this air fryer, this air fryer is amazing. I tell a lie. The only item somebody sent me that I didn't get to know, I didn't use for 2 or 3 weeks, was the pressure cooker. And luckily enough, I used that for the first time on film, and that's amazing. That's another story. But yeah, this air fryer, I've always been curious about them, and I'll tell you what, the results are amazing. Check this out. Linked below if you want one. Like I said, it's amazing. Go and check it out. Thanks, guys. On this edition of Steve's Cooking, I'll be using the Magic Chef Digital Extra Large Air Fryer. This machine is so simple to use, and I love it. First, you have your temperature and your timer. Also, it has a variety of cooking presets to choose from fries, roast, shrimp, cake, chicken, steak and fish. It comes with a 5.6 quart non-stick basket, and it's big enough for the whole family. For this delicious guacamole burger, first roast your tomatoes. Add to a roasting pan, followed by a good pinch of salt, olive oil and mix well. Now place in the oven and cook. For the burgers, I'll be using ground chuck with an 80-20 split. This guarantees a juicy burger. Next, add chili powder and smoked paprika, cumin, chili flakes and oregano. Lightly mix and shape into patties. Season well on both sides, add to a tray with parchment paper, now place in the fridge for 30 minutes to firm up. For the guacamole, grab a pestle and mortar. Diced tomato, jalapeno and onion, chopped cilantro, and 2 ripe avocados. Next, add a good pinch of salt, followed by onion, cilantro, and jalapeno. Now grind to a paste. Next, add avocado and lightly grind. Add tomatoes and mix with a spoon. For this recipe, I'll be using some delicious chipotle gouda, perfect for my burgers. Now this is where the fun starts. Add burger patties to the basket, place back in the fryer. I did my burgers at 400 degrees for 9 minutes. After 9 minutes, add cheese and cook for 20 seconds. When cooked, take out and place on a plate. When tomatoes are cooked, wake them up with a small drop of red wine vinegar and remove skin. So there you have it, air fry burgers. Turned out so juicy and delicious, so simple to use with amazing results. What you waiting for? Get yours today. Thanks guys.